Ebusiafo memo bibia kwaba de Bajin CN page so midin ede adwoa searching. Owura Kofi Akpalo ono ena oye leader and founder of LGP party. Ojinemu as presidential candidate in the name of LGP party ewo 2020 abatu ya yetu emu na wentumi endi inkunim. Na Owura Kofi Akpalo ede ensem bi atudwa. Owura Kofi ni nsem a okay na ne say eye omanpeni dada John Dramani Mahama ni nsem a ode akodan Supreme Court say omo enke bi emfa ema no because eye 2020 abatu ya yetu osusu say eye NDC amayukuo no ena omo edi inkunim ena yisifo ewiem ede ama NPP amayukuo nti court enke bi emfa ema omo no eye strategy bi a wafa Nina eye camouflage dia omanpeni dada John Dramani Mahama eye because opese 2020 abatu ya 2024 abatu ya da yenimi osanso e contest as presidential candidate dema NDC amayukuo no enti na oyesa no na enye wini bia osusu se wenwini enti na odene nsem akodan Supreme Court no na Owura Kofi etrese omanpeni dada John Dramani Mahama ogina se yento ne so aba 100 times obelusu 100 times until memana ohano na asemino emu enchiremuni 2020 yeto aba ewo Ghana ha na yeto aba no ewie no nisi boss Madam Jane Mensah edinwina ne din ebetudwa say His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ena we maintain ni seat no as president na Madam Jane Mensah edinwina ne din ebetudwa no NDC amayoko ni so mo engine tum because omu enomu ewini esanse omu susu se 2020 abato na yeto no omu figures bi omu ekeka bom kire so omu no omu wini enti yisi boss ni nsem ode beto dwa no omu de omu engine tum didim eno omu de asem no akodan Supreme Court so omu enke bi ma omu because 2020 abato na yeto no omu ena omu ewini na eno ena Owura Kofi Akpalo etrese omanpeni dada John Dramani Mahama jira waire ne ho oya se chinchina so pese Ghana fu ina agitum sa aba no ona onwini enti odina sem akoda na Supreme Court ni na no eye camouflage eye strategy bi a wafa because opese 2024 abatu ye da ye enemy ono no sanso gina na yeto ne so aba enti na oyesa no enti sesebio kama ordinance akoda na Supreme Court say 2020 abano ono ena onwini na se court kan na se odi inkuku kra na eda ho anase eye record say 2020 abano yeto no omanpeni dada ena onwini na yisi ewiemu ede ema MPP4 enti no akwanya ewo ho se otumi esanso ejina 2024 na yesanso eto ne so aba eninti enode ne nsem akodan Supreme Court no na eno ena Owura Kofi Akpalo etrese de omanpeni dada ye ni na no eye kenken kwa onwini enya de court sem no be wini na ogina 100 times ye ntone so aba obelusu 100 times enti no ma no omanpeni dada ha na ho na yenti nsem a Owura Kofi Akpalo ede etodwa
President Mahama or a winnable candidate for 2024?
He can still lead NDC. But winning the elections in India, this is BBC. Look at them coming out. Oh, come here. No crab akupe. Obetimi a perform said, "Oh, this say you perform me." This is the best for him.
Okay.
So you be a obeti a futua. Car obedan also. So na mechano
oda na hozo say
yeah my be ojai yeah mo be from etwaso
okay
but on tiase nya de tiase because we court na work na but prepare ne ho for 2024 enti no on there no doubt about that but
on winning why what is it a case is it strategy
no.
Is
it's not about case
so what is it
no it's not about case it's about reality. Oh, it's about reality. And my analysis more short analysis.
But you see, one Kaza he's been able to half.
And I'm going to say, half.
Okay.
Because to Obama, Nana Akufo-Addo, when he was coming.
Okay.
so na me che no ana ebi mu ye NDC for ena ebi ono so ye MPP ni but no share Akufo-Addo modern bona or bona no so because the free SHS, because of the one district, because of this, because of that, you know, over winning. Those I behind one that shows Akufo-Addo be lose.
Okay.
You know, man to cry in your shade. Man to cry in your shade, man to cry in your shade. Sounds like Asante Region votes, you know, it's over 3 point something million, if I'm right.
Yeah.
But one to you know, it's 1 point
about 700,000 and Abakra. Yeah.
It's your money in an is all Eddie Akufo-Addo by winning. It's you know why bother? Why bother? Why bother? So the Mijano. And no na Kwabi no school prefect to Pokware. And no school prefect. No school prefect, you know. Na Kobako popular. I is on there where they are. Yes, maybe of a BI man of fans. And I go no challenge no no that be. I need to son. Into a course, almost say Joe expect your bell winning. Nemum Muyam one vote. The patch one vote. I to be a deaf more bro. Okay, Mamma almost too many boy and not just for the aha. Eti Kwame, I'm off between the homo bro. But honestly speaking, say Ghana for you Pia Bonting Akotoaba. Now between these two parties, MPP and NDC for presidency in the bedding. Ama
say MPP as a candidate Kwana still.
I remember say many of Timbunkumsi Kwasi Mensa Senya Kupaya Adom na say MPP for a Cassibi or person within the Kujina Bagweni. Say omode Alan ba Alan ba winning omode Baumia ba winning no matter who they put there ba winning because omode Nana Po e ba ba winning omode Kennedy Japan e ba winning.
I see.
Oh yes, I must be honest with you because MPP no sana kwe you say no mkuta most of the population no this is BBC no man to mo ase na akoye ye ne mento ene beto atia say there omoye no
2008
as see this election we say DC for no we're fighting the MPs no they say me hu ba bia mo this adwani fio we do DC one contest bio o say me ya to atia MP no.
Good evening, Mr. President. I'm saying, Wunya, Ubizi, me home family, me go to JB, me amase, me ye bumenia gunia, maybe Mr. President. When you send me a candy po, be can of cratch or membership or why am I? Sammy Ewuku, Tawini, Nefren. A dear make us, Mr. President. Sammy Ewuku, ye Juma. Just this ended election, why ye Juma was some party in 4 years, why I'm a pressure. Or you'll be a young youth in now, we look up to him. Ye need Edan and him, you who say, what in a bow ben one, I just said, what do youth in the home? And to Mr. President, this is the time I'll be appointed. Me, I mean, Rabema Samuel could not talk cabinet and so. Or deserve it ministerial position. Or deserve it, say, or last 4 years, I came, winning on every year, Juma. As I said, Sammy is loyal to you.